Hi, I'm Jason. I'm going to spend a few minutes to tell you about this little excavator and why I think this one is the best one on the market and how you can get one. So if you come over and take a look, that I have worked with the factory directly, and we have built in a boom swing. So some of the models that you see on the market on Alibaba does not have a boom swing. So if this function matters to you, then you definitely want to get one. It makes digging a lot easier. So that's the boom swing, and it's controlled by a foot pedal right here. And I have another foot pedal, and that is a control of the auxiliary. And auxiliary, I have designed a thumb, hydraulic thumb, that is fitted onto the digging arm right here. And in case you need to put a attachment onto, you can use a quick change right here, and that will go onto your little auger. So what you do is there's a valve, you shut it off, and then you can operate the auger with your foot. So when we operate the excavator, we need both hands on the control lever right here. And so you can also utilize your foot to control its boom swing and its auxiliary function. And oftentimes when we dig, there are debris in the way that we need to activate the hydraulic thumb to do the grabbing. And hydraulic thumb is particularly useful if you are doing a lot of cleaning. Our job is landscape work, so we sometimes have to clean up trees or shrubs, things like that. And this is particularly useful because we can grab onto a tree and cut it, or grab onto a tree and yank it out, or something of that nature. And it is also very useful if you do fence work. You can grab the post and pull out the post and the concrete footing as well. Okay. This particular model is a gasoline model, and the gasoline model is very simple. It comes with an EPA certified, California EPA certified gasoline engine made by Bragg & Stratton. If you do buy stuff from Alibaba directly, make sure you do get the EPA certified model, because sometimes there's a mess up and they don't give you the right engine, and you'll be in trouble. Okay, so this gasoline model is very simple. It consists of an engine and a hydraulic cooler and a hydraulic pump, and pretty much that's it. So for maintenance wise, this is a super easy machine to maintain. So the other model I have is fitted with a Kubota diesel engine, and that engine is the same engine that Kubota uses on their own excavator. And that engine is a 13 horsepower one, and it gives more power, sounds smoother, runs smoother, sounds better, and of course it's a little more, but as you know, with Kubota diesel engines, they will just last for a long time. So primarily, that's pretty much it. And another thing about this excavator, I think it's safe to use. I did modify it so with a safety function that has a hydraulic lock. Okay. So if you do take a look of my previous video, you will notice that a lot of these Chinese factory, Chinese-made excavator doesn't have a hydraulic lock. Meaning that if someone put the hand on there, the digging boom will drop, and that's particularly, and that's a very dangerous thing, because sometimes, especially a homeowner, a kid may got onto the excavator without knowing, press the lever, and the boom may drop. And if someone's actually underneath, and can get seriously hurt. So that is taken care of. That is the safety function that we have. So an engine stop, this one doesn't have any function. So the hydraulic boom stays. And also the hydraulic boom for the track is also fixed, so that even if you park on a hill, it does not roll. Okay? So that's it about the little excavator that I'm introducing here. And I work directly with a factory, and I import it here for sale. And I import it under the name Landscape Buddy. And the reason is I'm a landscaper, and this is a very good machine to use.